Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to thank all of you for all your contributions to this page. I see your comments, I see your questions. So thank you so much. And for those of you who are new, if you have any questions or comments, just put them below. And all of you who are watching, let me know where you're watching from and leave your questions below. At some point I'll make a video about it. So today I'm actually answering a question from Alfred from Malawi. He asked how can he attract good people into his life. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome. Let me know where you're from. So Alfred asked how can he attract good people into his future life. And the first question to you or anyone listening is what do you consider as the right people? So create a criteria of who you consider right. Sorry, my eye is tearing. Create a criteria of what you consider right. Are those people with integrity? Who are they? What do you mean by right people? So once you figure that out, then first become the change you want to see in the world. So become the right person. Because naturally, if you change your personality, your character traits, develop them to a certain level of maturity, you will naturally attract the right people into your life. There's the idea of being magnetic around each other. It is true, you know. You'll find that if you find a group of generous people or a generous person, they hang around other generous people. Or you find a kind person, most of their friends are kind too. So become the change you want to see in the world, and as soon as you do that, you will naturally start to attract those right people into your life. Then secondly, get mentorship. Have you seen people out there that you consider the right people, the people you want to be like, the people you want to hang around with? Supposing it's a mentor, they may have written some books. Read their books. They may have magazines or they have a presence on social media. Follow them so that you can pick nuggets here and there, and you'll find that other people just like you will be in those same spheres, and you'll naturally start to befriend all those people you consider the right people into your life, because we are always growing and evolving. So allow that room to grow and evolve, and people will come into your life and leave when it's not suitable for them at some point. Just like you, I'm sure at this point you're starting to outgrow your surrounding, and now you're starting to look out for other people who are growing at the same pace. Then find like minds. For example, you may join WhatsApp groups, you may join Facebook groups, that have characteristics that you admire. And naturally, those things will come up to you. So in conclusion, how to attract the right people into your life for now or the future is become the person, get mentorship, and hang around like-minded people. I hope that helps, and thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. As always, this is Mother Eagle. I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys. Have a wonderful day.